Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Nicole here, your go-to Bulacan Realtor. And my top-selling project, it's called Bella Vista by Dolmarland, 53 years in the real estate industry. And we have a community already for Phase 1 Bella Vista. Today is November 2023. It's around 4 p.m. I'm sorry, 2025. So guys, yeah, there you have it. We're gonna have a stroll. I'm gonna show you the beautiful neighborhood and the ambience, the quiet and peaceful ambience of Bella Vista. Guys, this is also my future subdivision, yung sa kanilang pre-selling phase. And so, I'm going to give you yung recent inventory natin, like literally as of today, because we are online reservation. Paunahan lang yan guys, sa karami ng mga clients ko dito, more than 70% overseas Filipino abroad. And then of course, online reservation 100%. Masasend ko sa'yo yung map, makakapili ka na, and then if you want the sample computation ng napili mo, i-send ko din sa'yo yan bago ka mag-transfer ng reservation direct sa account ni Dolmarland, our developer. So guys, let's go so that you'll know kung meron pa bang very limited slots sa ating Phase 1 with community, and also at the same time, paubos na rin po ang ating pre-selling, kaya dapat makahabol ka. Alrighty. So, kapag main subdivision road, lahat to sold out na ha. Itong block na to itong main subdivision road na block. Syempre marami nang nakatira dito, kaya ayan, nag-gate and fence na po sila. Yan, medyo close up natin ng kaunti. So, kapag ikaw po ay mag-a-avail ng ating Bettina model, this is the actual exterior model of Bettina. There you have it. So, si Bettina ay merong lot and floor area showing on the screen. Yung kanyang unit features also showing on the screen. Diba guys, no? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ni Bettina, oh. Ayan, the beauty of Bettina model. Yan. So, let me give you guys the sample computation. Diba? Yan, unahin na kaagad natin yung ating limited reopen slots for Phase 1 with community showing on the screen for Bettina model. Let's keep moving. Kapag naman pre-selling, baka sabihin mo, gusto ko yung pre-selling ni Bettina. Okay, sige. Pre-selling Bettina, kung 36 months down payment, go ahead. Walang pumipigil sa'yo guys. Mag 36 months ka. Kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali dyan ka sa mas matagal, para walang interest rate, baka ma-fully paid mo na in 36 months. Di mo na kailangan mag-loan, di ba? Mas perfect yun. Okay? So, how about Beatrice model? Ano bang itsura ni Beatrice model? So, here at Bella Vista, we have Beatrice model. So, this is the beautiful Beatrice model showing on the screen, guys. Nasa harap yung kanyang, ang tawag dyan? Mukhang ongoing to. Yung kanyang, balcony. Tapos, andyan din yung kanyang unit features showing on the screen. Yan, floor and lot area. Yan guys, okay? So, if you want Beatrice model, papakita ko sa screen yung kanyang sample computation for Beatrice model, Phase 1 with community, okay? For construction. Kapag naman pre-selling na Beatrice model, okay? Pakitaan ko na rin kayo ng pre-selling Beatrice model showing on the screen guys, okay? Yan, baka sabihin nyo naman ang damot ko sa information. Hindi ayan pinapakitaan ko kayo ng example, sample computation, and at the same time, ano na lang siya guys, sobrang limited slots. Like 99.9% parang germs lang, diba? Sold out na po talaga tayo dito almost. So, karamihan dito talagang habol-habol lang. Ganyan. Oh, diba? Simpleng gate and fence. Let's get moving. Tingin ko malapit na rin naman yung client ko eh. Actually, alam mo, nanggaling pa ng South. Yung magti-tripping today, SPA ng client abroad. Galing pa ng South, guys, diba? Siyempre, gusto mo rin magkaroon ng property sa North. So, this is a very good option. So, ito yung ating model unit area. Yan. Kung gusto mo ng actual house tour, napakadami ko, baka daan-daan na yung videos ko dito sa Bella Vista. Ito yung model, oh. Ayan, yung may gate and fence. Kasi yung gate and fence di kasama sa turnover. Model unit lang yan, guys. Okay? So, Pwede ko namang ilagay sa comment section below yung link kung gusto mong makapanood ng house tour. Napakarami ko na pong house tour dito, okay? Sobrang dami, pumili ka na lang kung gusto mong makita yung mga interior. Mostly mag-ano lang kasi tayo, stroll tayo for today's video, for today's update, for today's vlog. Ano ba? Daming sinabi. So ito siya guys. Meron ba tayong amenities sa Bella Vista? Of course! Alam nga namang wala. Siyempre meron. Pwede bang wala? Itong nag-price range na 5 million na ngayon, pataas, tapos walang amenities. Ano yun? Hindi naman pwedeng gano'n, di ba? So, ayan, showing on the screen. Pero bago yun, ang ganda ng gate and fence at ang ganda ng expansion na ginawa ng bahay na ito. Kudos to our homeowner. Tcharam! Here tayo, guys. Sa you know, ano, tawag dun, yung sikat ng araw. Alright. Let's keep moving. Ito na kasi yung ano, area nung phase 2 actually. Ang ganda nito guys. Wow! Look at that. Ito yung corner na to na nagpa-expand. Tignan mo yan oh. 'Di ba? Ang ganda, ang bongga. Bihira na lang po yan halos sold. Unang nasa sold out kasi yung mga corner. Pero kung swerte mo kung makaabot ka sa medyo mas malaki-laki pang lot area, 'di ba? Oh, whether it's corner end or inner pero malaki yung lote, perfect. So ayan, actually dito na nga tayo sa ano part ng ano. To ginagawa na kasi ayan oh. Nagawa na yung ating land development ng pre-selling phase 2 tapos at the same time yung ano, tawag dito, dito kasi tatayo yung parks and playground tsaka swimming pool. Pero may mga nakikita akong mga cuties. Ayan o, ang cute naman nila. Hello! Aww! Ayan guys. Ayan. So, ito yung ating clubhouse sa phase 1. Phase 1 and Phase 2 may kanya-kanyang amenity area guys. So, magpapakita na ako ng list of amenities. Ayan, showing on the screen yung mga amenities na matatagpuan sa Bella Vista Phase 1. Ayan po guys, nakikita nyo sa screen. Alright? Gusto nyo rin bang makita yung ano guys? Yung, tawag doon? Basketball court. Ganda rin ito. Diba? Your neighborhood in Bella Vista. Look at that. Pwede ka magpa-landscape. Tapos, ito yung clubhouse natin. You wanna go to the clubhouse, guys? Medyo maambon. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the basketball court na napakalaki. Hello, basketball court. Oh, napakalaki niya, no? Full court yan, guys. So, mahilig ka mag-basketball, mag-volleyball, whatever. Ayan na. Ito na. Sa Bella Vista Phase 1. Oh, si Phase 2, mayroon din niyang sarili niya. Pakalaki ng basketball court natin, guys. So, ang ganda, oh. Oh. So, dito lang yan, guys, sa Bella Vista. Phase 1 man yan, Phase 2 man yan, pre-selling or whatever. The fact na makakapag-avail ka ng investment sa Bella Vista, it's an achievement, guys. It's something that you should be proud of. Tama ba? So what else are you waiting for? Again, we are 99.9% sold. So you must be quick. 100% online reservation. Contact me as soon as possible. Kung makakahabol ka pa rin sa aking November birth month promo, then good for you. So guys, continuation, no? Kasi kakatapos lang ng ating client tripping. So, my November birth month promo showing on the screen. if you want to avail this once in a lifetime promo, you have to contact me as soon as possible. What you need to remember, we are strict here in Bella Vista. No walk-ins are allowed. You must contact me via Viber or WhatsApp. Mention Bella Vista. Ayan siya, guys. Pero kung gamit mo naman ay Messenger, you can contact me via Facebook. Ayan, Messenger. That's legit. May blue check yan. Verified yung account ko. Wala nang iba yan. Hindi ka mas-scam kasi ako po talaga yan. Alright? So, yan po yung aking Facebook account. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Contact me as soon as possible. Again, avail my once-in-a-lifetime promo and our very few slots left here in Bella Vista. Diba, guys? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.